na ọnwụ oke Igbo. Ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-achọ? Ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-achọ? Oke Igbo ka anyị na-achọ nzomalizo. O jelu nkụ ya na-ata, o chuli iyi ya na-ata, o jelu afịa ya na-ata. Oke Igbo ka anyị na-achọ nzomalizo. Ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-achọ? Ọ bụ onye ka anyị na-achọ? Oke Igbo ka anyị na-achọ nzomalizo. O jebe nkụ ugbo ka ilini ya, o chube mmiri iyi ilini ya, o jebe afịa ụzụ afịa sọọlị ya, o jebe ahịa ọgbọnuke biko chaali ya. Oke Igbo ka anyị na-achọ nzomalizo.
In one of his poems, a dirge dedicated to Christopher Okigbo, I listened to late Professor Chinua Achebe talk about Ogbonuke, and I adjusted in my seat. I said, Ogbonuke. So these people also have this word in Igbo Izugbe, or in his own town of Okidi. I asked, Ogbonuke, what does it truly mean? Because the person who translated the novel, that is Professor Ifeanyi Menkete, late Professor Ifeanyi Menkete, could not even translate it to English as well. So I decided to bring it to you, my very sagacious and intellectual fans here on Facebook and on YouTube, to ask you, what is the meaning of the Igbo saying, Ogbonuke? He was writing a dirge to late Christopher Okigbo, and he said, has he gone to war? Has he gone to war? Ogbonuke, biko chalo ya. What is the meaning of Ogbonuke? Because we use that word very prominently in this western side of Igbo land. Somebody can come out and meet people quarreling or meet something unfortunate and put his hand on his head and says, Onishulu Ogbonuke bozeonwo. Onishulu Ogbonuke bozeonwo. Kiko jizebuna Ogbonuke. So I'm asking, this word that Professor Chinua Achebe used, Ogbonuke, what does it mean in your hometown? Thank you so much for watching. I will look forward to seeing your comments in the comment section. Let's interact. Let's talk about this. What is the meaning of the word or the saying, the Igbo saying, Ogbonuke? We will look at other ones later, but today, let's consider Ogbonuke.